In the heart of the land where the wild things play, we dream of a pond where the creatures can stay, with a gentle slope and a soft clay bed. We'll craft a haven where the life will spread, designing a pond, a natural dream, where the waters flow and the sunlight gleams. A home for the fish and a rest for the birds, a symphony of life without a single word. Shape it with care, make it wild and free, with a mix of depths and a touch of greenery. The edges that slope where the plants can thrive. In this peaceful haven, so many lives will thrive. Designing a pond, a natural dream, where the waters flow and the sunlight gleams. A home for the fish and a rest for the birds, a symphony of life without a single word. Water's a gift for the earth and the skies, irrigation for fields where the green will rise. Recharge the aquifer, keep the fire at bay. In this little oasis, we find a new way. Wildlife will come where the habitat's right, with native plants and a touch of light. Creages and margins where the turtles can rest, elevations of earth for them to nest. A diversity of trees and bushes abound, for birds to nest where safety is found. Zones for the flora and fauna to roam. In this natural world, they'll make it their home. Designing a pond, a natural dream, where the waters flow and the sunlight gleams. A home for the fish and a rest for the birds, a symphony of life without a single word. So here's to the pond where our dreams take flight, a canvas of nature, both day and night. Designing with love, every stone and leaf. In this natural world, we find our relief.
So you wanna be a homesteader, live a life that's wild and free. Leave the city's hustle behind you, find your place among the trees. You got dreams of growing gardens, raising chickens, sheep and more. But before you take the plunge, my friend, there's a lot you should explore. Do you have the heart and the drive to work from dawn to dusk and thrive? Can you find the beauty in the grind and let nature teach your mind? It ain't an easy road to tread, but there's magic in each step you take. So if you're ready, lift your head and let the homestead life awake.
Out here you find a rhythm that dances with the season's flow. From planting seeds to harvesting, you'll learn patience as you grow. You'll need grit when storms are blowing, and resilience when things go wrong. In the quiet of the country, you'll find where you belong. Do you have the heart and the drive to work from dawn to dusk and thrive? Can you find the beauty in the grind and let nature teach your mind? It ain't an easy road to tread, but there's magic in each step you take. So if you're ready, lift your head and let the homestead life awake. You'll learn from every failure, every triumph, every tear.
roots you'll find your purpose. In the soil your path will clear. The sun will rise on every morning, with hope anew, a fresh day dawning. And with the moon you'll rest your weary head, knowing this is what you've chosen.
So you wanna be a homesteader, with dreams of living off the land. You've got the spirit and the vision to build a future with your hands. Embrace the journey, find the joy in every challenge, every plan. In the end you'll see it's worth it to be a homesteading man.
Do you have the heart and the drive to work from dawn to dusk and thrive? Can you find the beauty in the grind and let nature teach your mind? It ain't an easy road to tread, but there's magic in each step you take. So if you're ready, lift your head and let the homestead life awake. So you wanna be a homesteader and let your spirit run wild and free. Plant your roots and grow together with the land where you were meant to be.
Out by the pond where the water's still, you'll find the cattail standing tall. Oh, what a thrill. In the morning light they sway and dance, nature's wave giving life a second chance. Cattails, oh cattails, standing in the sun, cleaning up the water one by one. Cattails, oh cattails, shelter in the breeze, bringing life and beauty to the trees. With roots that dig deep in the muddy ground, holding the soil so it won't break down, trapping all the silt and the things that stray, keeping the waters clean day by day. Cattails, oh cattails, standing in the sun, cleaning up the water one by one. Cattails, oh cattails, shelter in the breeze, bringing life and beauty to the trees. Find their homes, the frogs find their rest, the dragonflies dance, the beavers build their nests. The world is alive with the sound of life. In the cattails' embrace we find the light. Birds find their homes, the frogs find their rest, the dragonflies dance, the beavers build their nests. The world is alive with the sound of life. In the cattails' embrace we find the light. They capture carbon in their green embrace, helping the planet, keeping up the pace. In the changing winds they stand so proud, nature's humble gift shouting aloud. Cattails, oh cattails, standing in the sun, cleaning up the water one by one, one by one. Cattails, oh cattails, shelter in the breeze, bringing life and beauty to the trees. So when you see them by the water's edge, remember their role, their silent pledge. Cattails, oh cattails, forever they will be guardians of the land and the sea.